So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are here to solve another question of Leetcode, that is find median from datatree. So in this question we are given we need to find the median. We are given the definition of the median, that is the middle value of an ordered integer list, and if the size of the list is even, then there is no middle values. So we need to return the mean of those two middle values. For example, we are if the array is 2 3 4, so here clearly the middle element is 3, so we will return 3. But if we have array 2 and 3, so the median would be the average of these two values, and we are given to implement the functions add num and find median. Priority queue of int type, and I'm going to name it as smaller, and we will make another priority queue because we need to divide the given array into two parts so that we can find the middle value. Priority queue of int type vector of int and greater int, and I'm going to name it as large. Okay, so larger will store the right half of the array, that is the all the larger values than the smaller values. Okay, and the smaller would be the uh, queue that will store according to the decreasing order, and the larger would store the values according to the increasing order. Okay, then let's solve this add num function. So first of all, when we get the element, so we will add that particular number in our smaller priority queue, that push num. Okay, now we need to check. So if our smaller is not empty, and also our larger is not empty, and let's suppose if the smaller heap contains the larger value than the larger heap, so we need to replace that value into the larger value. So we will write the condition if our smaller dot top is greater than larger dot top, then we are going to add that particular value into the larger heap. Larger dot push smaller dot top, and we will remove that particular value from the smaller heap. Smaller dot pop. Okay, fine. Then again, the thing we are going to do is we need to check uh, okay, else if our smaller dot size is greater than larger dot size plus 1, then we need to transfer the uh, value from a smaller heap to larger heap. So larger dot push smaller dot top and smaller dot pop. Fine. Else Okay, smaller dot push larger dot top, and larger dot pop. Okay, with this we have completed our function. Wait, we need to add the condition if our smaller dot size plus 1 is less than larger dot size. And find median. Okay, we have arranged in all the elements in smaller as well as in larger heap. Now we need to return the median. So if let's suppose the size of both the heaps is equal, then we need to it means that the array has even number of elements. So we will find the uh, mean of the top elements of both the heaps. So if our smaller dot size is equal to larger dot size, then we will simply return I'm going to typecast the values double, then smaller dot top plus larger dot top divided 2.0. Okay, and else else if the size is not equal, if the smaller dot size is greater than larger dot size, it means that smaller has extra element, so we will return the extra element smaller dot top, else return larger dot top. Okay, we have completed our function layer. So our problem is solved. Now the time complexity and space complexity over here is the time complexity would be time complexity is for, let's see, for add enum function when we are calling the object. So the add enum function is using heap. So heap would take big O of log n, and the find median function is taking the constant time. So time complexity would be big O of log n, and over here space complexity would be, we are using heaps, so two heaps, so it would be big O of n. So I hope this video helped you to solve this question, and thank you very much.